Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm super excited you're here today. Happy Monday everybody. I recently took part in a card swap, so today's video I wanted to share all the cards I received. Now please forgive me if I mispronounce anybody's name. I will have details about today's video over on my website. And if anybody is interested in measurements or things of that nature, instructions on how to create the card, I will have a place where you will be able to let me know the card number and I will be more than happy to send you instructions. So our first card today is from Barbara Welch and she organizes the card swap. Thank you so much, Barbara. Your card is adorable. A lot of dimension, super cute. I love the double ribbon. Now, stamping on the inside is optional. Some folks do, some folks don't. Again, it's an option. That's card number 1. Card number 2 comes from Karla Stroh. We got a little bit of Winker Stella going on there on those tulips. So pretty. And then also some dimension. Very cute card. Thank you. Card number 3 comes from Dana Miller. Adorable. So cute. That's card number 3. Card number 4 comes from Melissa Davies. And also a lot of dimension going on here in this card. Super cute. Also some embossing going on. Love it. And I do love this ribbon, you guys. Very nice. So that's card number 4. We have card number 5. And this is from Sandy Carlson. Adorable. I love the rhinestones. I love bling. Anything with bling. And Sandy has stamped on the inside. And again, that is optional, you guys. Card number 6 is from Jennie Portonova. Oh my goodness, I love this suite. Now, Jennie has some mechanism in here. It's difficult to see, you guys. But she's got this little mechanism in there. And it actually makes the bee do like a little bouncy, like a boingy. It's so cute. Very cute card. I love it. And also Jennie stamped on the inside as well. But that's optional. Beautiful card. Some Wink of Stella on the bees. And again, she's finished it with some bling. Very cute. Card number 7. Card number 7 is from Anne-Marie Hile. Beautiful card. Some Wink of Stella. Now, it's hard to see on camera, but the Wink of Stella, you guys, is like a glittery. It's hard to tell on camera, but it's so pretty. And then again, some rhinestones. Lovely. I love this card. Card number 8 is from Laurie Rigo. Sorry, Laurie, I'm not sure if that's Rigo. This is card number 8. I thought there was another, but it's not. Super cute. Some coloring going on, little bling. Card number 9. And this is from Brittany Moon. And Brittany has used a foil sheet down on the bottom, and it just ties very nicely with the card because there's like the silver over here. And just a gorgeous card, you guys. So nice. Thank you. Card number 10. Card number 10 comes from Jan McClurg. And I love how she has added these, no, it looks like rhinestones, you guys. Very nice. I like this card. Very cute. The heart is popped up with some dimension. Very cute card. That's card number 10. Card number 11 is from Linda Morse. Cute little bow on the side there. And this sentiment is popped up with some dimension as well. And then she's got some pearls going on. Lovely. And then the rounded corner with the square card, you guys. I actually like that. Very nice card. And this card is Linda Morse. Card number 12 is from Andrea Tracy-Tucker. Cute card. The sentiment and the little chicken is popped up with some dimensionals. I like this chicken wire paper here on the back. Very cute card. Card number 13 comes from Hearts and Heather Creations. This is from Heather Brekken. I love the silver metallic thread and then finished off with the rhinestones. I love this card. It is stunning. And then the centerpiece is also popped up with some dimension, you guys. So nice. Thank you so much, Heather. Card number 14 comes from Debbie Grayson. Super cute. The heart's also popped with some dimension. And I love the little bow on the side, you know, the square knot. Very cute. Lovely card. Thank you. Then we have card number 15 comes from Wendy Lynn. Cute card. Her boots and the umbrella are popped. Now, I like what she's done. And again, it's hard to see on camera, but she's frayed around the card, you guys. Look at that. It's like frayed. It's so cool. I like how she did that. Very cute card. Thank you so much, Wendy. And our last and final card comes from Melissa Bolinger. Bolinger. Please forgive me if I've pronounced your last name incorrect. Adorable cards. All the cards are stunning, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share the video with your friends. And again, if you want to see any of the instructions on how to create any of the cards, I will have all the information listed over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please join me back here again on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Take care.